हाय बच्चों, तो आज हम टॉपिक जो करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है पॉलीगन. सो पॉलीगन इज अ शेप which is made up with a straight line and it is always a closed figure. So here in the IGCSE, how the questions asked in the IGCSE exam which are based on polygon. So we are taking some past papers questions. So this question is right now we are solving here. So the diagram shows a regular decagon. So you can see the decagon. Decagon is any shape with a 10 sides. So here n is 10 sides, right? Now what is n? I'll tell you. So here AB is the line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry. Children, line of symmetry is that line which divides the shape into two equal half, right? So that means this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. All angles are equal, right? So that means this D is also equal to this D, right? This is also D only, right? Now to find each angle, we need to find one angle first. To find each angle, what should we do? We should divide this. So to find each angle, what should we do? We need to use a formula which is called n minus 2 into 180 and then divided by n. So here n is what? Number of sides. So if n is number of sides, so here number of sides, so here the number of sides are 10 because it is a decagon. So 10 I'll put here, I'll put 10 here. 10 minus 2 into 180 upon 10, right children? So if I do this, it will be 8 into 180 upon 10. So 0 0 cancel. So 8 into 18. So what is 8 into 18? It's 80, 144. So it will be 144. 144 degree is the angle which is each angle. That means this is 144, this is 144, this is 144 and this is 144, right? Now if this is also 144 whole and if I divide by 2, because it's a symmetrical line, so I'll divide by 2. So if I divide by 2, so the angle will become 72 degree. So that means this angle is 72. So your answer for this question, that is for D, is 72 degree. Keep watching and keep sharing, and I hope you like these videos. And we are started the past papers series, so we are doing only those questions which are very much important and which can help you in the coming exams.